Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a fall makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right here. And I'm so excited because today is officially the start of fall. And yeah, so this video is a collaboration with Rachel and her channel name is Achel the Great. And I absolutely love her channel so much. She does great makeup. She also does some great reviews on products and she just has great videos. So definitely check out her channel. It'll be linked down below for you to check out. And yeah, we thought it would be a great idea to do a fall themed makeup look and just kind of compare how we both would do a fall makeup tutorial. And yeah, I do more of like a really elaborate crazy makeup, whereas she does a little bit more natural makeup, but we'll see what she comes up with because either way it's gonna be great. Before I get into this video, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for future uploads. And yeah, let's get into this makeup tutorial. Okay, so my lids are already primed, my eyebrows are done, and I'm ready to go in with eyeshadow. By the way, in case you're wondering, I do use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer mixed in with concealer as my primer. I have been getting a couple of comments asking me what I use. That's my preferred thing. Using an eye primer on its own doesn't have the same effect as mixing it in with concealer. Although a lot of the primers now have color and are really similar to concealer, I still feel like they need to be mixed in with concealer for some reason. Otherwise, eyeshadow can look a little patchy. For today's look, I'm going to be using the BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival XL Pro palette. This is the collab with Stacey MUA. I did try this out in my first impressions video. If you missed it, here it is. I'm going to be going in with more neutral shades today. Pretty excited about it. I'm only going to take a couple of shades from this palette because I have another palette that I want to use. But the first shade I'm going to go in with is Fall. And see, like over here are all the brown tones, like more for fall. So I'm super excited that this palette has like everything under the sun. It has color, it has browns, it has neutrals. I'm just going to go in with the shade Hall on a ColourPop E9 brush. This is good for packing on shadows, as I always say. And before I do that, I need to fix this. My crease is so hooded, it's kind of annoying that the primer just kind of like settles in the lines there. So using this brush helps fill them back in. So I'm just going to pack this shade on my crease and blend it with a Morphe M456 brush just to blend out the harsh edges, and I'm going to go in with a lighter shade after. Okay, so now I'm going to take a lighter shade. I'm going to take this shade right here called Basic, and it's like more of a transition shade, and I'm just going to blend out what I did here on the crease. Build it up, but really blend out the edges. I'm only using those two shades from this palette. Well, I might use another one, we'll see. I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna do like a half cut crease, not a full cut crease. Next shade I'm gonna take is this one right here. It's called Slow Burn, and it's like a burnt orange shade. But I'm gonna take that as a base because I'm actually taking a pigment on top, but I just want to put this, I want to lay it down as a base first. Alright, over top of this lid shade, I'm going to take a pigment. This is the Baddie Cosmetics pigment in the shade Pumpkin Patch. And yes, it is a bright neon orange. I'm so excited to try this out. I have tried Baddie Cosmetics pigments in the past. They are quite drying, but that's just the way pigments are, especially neon pigments. So like, what more can you expect? That's why I laid down that eyeshadow as a base. Hopefully that'll help. So yeah, like I said, that pigment is so drying, but I'm gonna fix it later. I went ahead and wiped away the bottom part because I'm actually going to do some glitter eyeliner, but I'm first going to put down some concealer and eye primer so that the glitter sticks to it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So now that they're carved out, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down an eyeshadow first. I'm gonna take this one right here, which is called Fortune, and it's a gold shade, but I'm gonna be going in with glitter afterwards. But it's always best to just lay down an eyeshadow where you want the glitter to go anyway. Now I'm gonna take a glitter. This is the BH Cosmetics glitter in the shade Gold. Yeah, it's called Gold. And I'm going to use the NYX glitter primer, which I already put on the back of my hand. And I'm just going to go section by section on each wing and just make sure that the glitter is really landing on my wing and not in my eyeball. Alright, now I have this other like chunkier glitter. This is from Baddie Cosmetics and it's called Autumn. Oh, that's perfect. And I'm going to take a few of the little chunks and just place them randomly throughout the wing. Okay, so I finished putting on the bigger pieces of glitter and I'm actually really liking it, but I do want to outline the wing in black, so I'm literally gonna take the black liner all the way around the wing and see how that looks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. There's still glitter everywhere. I tried to get it out as best as I could, but it is what it is. And now I'm going to prime my face using the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I really like this primer. I think it does a good job of smoothing the canvas and preparing the face for foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Foundation. I love this foundation so much. It is more for people with oily skin. So if you have drier skin, I would be really careful with this and definitely prime your face using a hydrating primer because it is pretty drying, but it's really, really nice. It has great coverage and I love the finish of it as well. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Wheat, and I absolutely love this concealer. I think it has a great consistency. It covers all of my under eye circles, and it will look great with this look. I'm going to set my concealer using the more pinky shade called Halo in the Tarte Princess Avenue palette. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do my lower lash line with all the shades that I used in the crease. So now I'm just going to contour with the shade called Princess Cut, which is this one right here in the Park Avenue Princess palette. For blush, I'm going to be taking the ColourPop blush in the shade I honestly don't know because it doesn't say it on the packaging. I really, really hate that about ColourPop packaging. It doesn't say it on the packaging, so I don't know. I don't remember exactly which blush this is, but if I remember, I'll link it down below. And for highlighter, I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I think it matches with all the gold and the rest of my face. I'm just going to take another pigment from Baddie Cosmetics. This is in Caramel Apple, and this is like a really bronze pigment. And that's going to go in the inner corner of my eye. And I don't know. I might top it with some of the highlighter I just put on. Let me see. It might have looked better with just the highlighter. Yep, I'm topping it with the highlighter that I just put on my face. So now I'm going to go in with some glitter from Baddie Cosmetics. This is their Leave Me Alone glitter, and it has like little cute, adorable autumn leaves. This is the entire reason I bought that set, which is kind of sad if you ask me, but whatever. I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye, just kind of scattered. I'm going to put a few. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the neon pigment in my waterline. But first I'm going to line my waterline with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white. This will help the pigment pop. For lips, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place D2 Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I think this is the perfect fall shade. I absolutely love it. So that's it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed my first fall makeup tutorial. I love fall, I love Halloween, but after this, look forward to Halloween videos because I'm going to be doing at least 2 to 3 Halloween videos per week here on YouTube, and I'm doing 31 days of Halloween on my Instagram if you want to check it out as well. Don't forget to check out Rachel's channel as well. I will have it linked down below. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!